What if I told you that your financial future is being stolen from you right now? No, it's not the government, not inflation, not even the economy. It's you making silent, invisible mistakes every single day that keep you broke. But here's the kicker. No one ever taught you how to escape. Until now. If you don't take control of your finances, someone else will. The truth is, 78% of people live paycheck to paycheck, and most will struggle financially in retirement. But what if I told you that with the right financial plan, you could break free from money stress, build wealth, and retire comfortably? Whether you're 25 or 55, it's never too late to start. And in this video, we're breaking down the step-by-step blueprint to secure your financial future. So make sure you watch until the very end, and I promise, you'll never look at money the same way again. Because today, I'm giving you the step-by-step blueprint to financial freedom. The hard truths no one dares to tell you. And by the end of this video, you'll have the exact tools to start building real, unstoppable wealth right now. It's never too late to start understanding the importance of financial planning. You might think you've missed your chance to build wealth, but that's a myth. Whether you're 25, 40, or even 60, it's never too late to take control of your money. The earlier you start, the better. But even small changes today can have a huge impact on your financial future. Here's why financial planning is crucial. Retirement isn't cheap. The average American needs over $1 million to retire comfortably. Healthcare costs are rising. Medical expenses can eat up your savings if you're not prepared. Job stability isn't guaranteed. Economic downturns and job losses happen. A financial plan acts as a safety net. Pro tip: start by identifying your financial goals, whether it's retiring early, traveling the world, or leaving a legacy for your family. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Creating a solid budget, the foundation of financial planning. A budget isn't about restricting your spending. It's about gaining control over your money. Think of it as a roadmap to your financial freedom. Follow this simple budgeting formula. 50% needs: rent, utilities, groceries, healthcare. 30% wants: travel, dining, entertainment. 20% savings and investments: emergency fund, retirement, debt payoff. Pro tip: use budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, or Every Dollar to track your spending effortlessly. The key is consistency. Small, daily habits add up. Harsh truth: if you don't tell your money where to go, you'll always wonder where it went. Start budgeting today. Saving for the future. Diversifying your saving strategies. Let's talk about the #1 rule of wealth building. Pay yourself first. That means before you spend on anything else, you should be putting money aside for your future. Here's how to save smart. Step 1. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Step 2. Max out retirement accounts. Contribute to 401k, IRA, or RRSP for Canadians. If your employer offers a match, take it. It's free money. Step 3. Invest wisely. Don't just save, invest. Consider stocks, ETFs, real estate, and index funds. The key is long-term growth. Pro tip: start small. Even $5 a day invested in an index fund can grow into 6 figures over time. Question: what's your biggest financial goal? Comment below. I want to hear from you. Retirement planning. Securing your future. Retirement isn't an age, it's a financial number. The earlier you start planning, the sooner you can retire on your terms. Here's what you need to know. Social Security alone won't cut it. The average monthly benefit is only $1,827, not enough for a comfortable lifestyle. Factor in healthcare costs. The average retired couple needs at least a minimum of $300,000 for medical expenses. Diversify retirement income. Create multiple income streams. For example, investments, rental properties, side businesses. Pro tip: use a retirement calculator to find out how much you need. You'd be surprised, it's more than you think. Harsh truth: if you don't have a retirement plan, you're planning to work forever. Staying informed and seeking professional advice. The biggest financial mistake? Thinking you have to do it alone. Why professional advice matters. A financial advisor helps create a tailored plan based on your goals. They optimize your investments and help reduce tax burdens. They keep you informed on market trends, inflation, and tax laws. Pro tip: even a one-time consultation with an advisor can save you thousands in mistakes. Let's be brutally honest. If you're waiting for the right time to start saving, you'll never start. If you spend more than you earn, you'll never escape the rat race. If you rely only on one job, you're one step away from financial disaster. But here's the good news: you can rewrite your financial story, starting now. The rich don't just think differently, they act differently. They invest first, spend later. They focus on assets, not liabilities. They see money as a tool, not a goal. And the biggest secret? They start before they feel ready. Comment below. What's the best financial tip you've learned? Let's share knowledge. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe for more life-changing financial tips. Remember, wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow. You have the power to change your financial future, starting today. The best time to plant a money tree was 20 years ago. The second best time, right now. If you made it this far, type wealth in the comments to show you're serious about your financial future. Don't just watch, take action. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.